Tourism is one of the world's fastest growing industries as well as the major source of foreign exchange earnings and employment for many developing countries. Tourism is vital to the well-being of many countries because of the income generated by the consumptions of goods and services by tourists. The taxes levied on business in the tourism industries and the opportunity for employment and economic advancement by working in the industry. In this video, we are going to promote 5 different places.
Puar. The town of Puar is unheard and untouched by usual travelers. This offbeat tourist places in Kerala is no less than an outstanding miracle. The village is right on the beach, which means vast stretches of sparkling sand, refreshing breeze, and calm environment, which will undoubtedly treat all of your senses. The word Puar is formed by combining two Malayalam words, pu and var, meaning flower and river. The place shore is an aesthetic combination of fragrant flowers and gushing backwaters. Highlights: explore the Puar beach and nearby Kovalam beach, go fishing, Tirapparappu Falls, and local flea market shopping. How to reach Puar? Puar is in the Thiruvananthapuram district. The nearest airport is the Thiruvananthapuram International Airport, 30 kilometers, and the nearest railway station is the Thiruvananthapuram Central, also 30 kilometers. So you know by now, Kerala is a true gem with many hidden and unexplored jewels and that awaits your presence. What are you waiting for now? Pack your bag, put on your shoes and ready to explore the best of Kerala.
Gavi, a beautiful village located in the Pathanamthitta district in one of the unexplored offbeat tourist place in Kerala. A village as a tourist destination may sound odd to any other place, but not for a beautiful place such as Kerala. For nature and wildlife lovers, this village has to be the top offbeat tourist destination in Kerala. The place is a part of the well-known Periyar Tiger Reserve, which makes it a pristine tourist spot. You can spot elephants, bears, tigers, Nilgiri marten. In addition to that, there is much more to do as boating, spice garden visit, trekking, visit the cardamom factory and bird watching. The journey to Gavi is itself an exciting experience. During the drive, you will be able to sight the beautiful Gavi, covered with tea plantation, get thrilled with the sights of fields and valleys, tropical forest, grassland, spectacular waterfalls, etc. Gavi is a part of the Periyar Tiger Reserve.
The Anantapura Lake Temple, the only lake temple in Kerala, is a picturesque temple erected in the middle of a lake in Kasaragod district. This temple is believed to be the original seat or Mulasthanam of Lord Anantapadmanabha, also the deity of Sri Padmanabha Swami Temple of Tirunanthapuram. The lake, which is about 2 acres wide, is consistently nourished with spring water. Right corner of the temple there is a cave. The popular belief is that the deity proceeded to Tirunanthapuram through this cave. The temple is famous for the ornate wood carving and brilliant paintings portraying various avatars of Lord Vishnu. The most interesting occupant of Temple Lake complex is Babia, the vegetarian crocodile who is believed to be the temple guardian.
Astamadi Backwater. It is a surprise that this place is still one of the unexplored tourist places in Kerala. The Astamadi Backwater in Kollam is one of Kerala's unrevealed secrets. The place is the second largest and deepest wetland ecosystem and has 8 channels in total, which make its stature grand. Lagoons, canals, rivers and inlets together make this splendid beauty worth visiting. The place is worth exploring because of its rich wildlife and diversity. More than 50 species of fauna, 40 species of wetland-dependent birds and 26 species of butterflies have been identified inhabiting the ecosystem. highlight: houseboat tours, bird watching, indulging in Ayurvedic therapies. How to reach Kollam? Kollam district is a major Lakarayu seaport. There are no regular flights from other major cities of the country to Kollam. The nearest airport is Thiruvananthapuram International Airport. It is well connected to other major cities of Kollam. Cities of the country view regular trains Eravipuram.
One day, Shahaji Bhosle sent Shivaji and Jijabai to Pune to look after the Jagir of Pune. There, Shivaji started capturing the territories under Adil Shah around Pune. This made angry to Adil Shah and captured Shivaji and imprisoned him. The aggressive Shivaji approached Shah Jahan and seek help against Adil Shah. This made fear to Adil Shah and released Sambhaji. One day, Shahaji went for venting on his horse. Unfortunately, he falls off the horse and died around 1665 AD. His tomb was built at Odigere near present Channagiri Mandal in Karnataka, Davangere district.
The tourism industry has a significant role to play in the national economy, and it has been growing in the whole world. Every country has been taking initiative to attract more tourists by adopting an active marketing strategy. Promotions plays an important role in achieving a marketing strategy, as it is one of the major elements of the marketing mix. On account of tourists like to know about the product, offers and facilities in advance. Active marketers always try to provide all the required information through different promotional activities to attract tourists towards the destination.